Good morning from Laos. If you're new here, my name is Warren and I'm traveling with my 3 best friends down in Southeast Asia. We have finally arrived in Laos, but we did have some problems getting here. And I'll tell you about it in the hotel room. First of all, Tu's phone got stolen in Vietnam the day before we went. We tried to chase him down with the GPS. We had him on Find My iPhone, but he was on a scooter, so we didn't have a chance. And then we went to the police, but nobody wanted to report it, so he didn't get the insurance back when we got to the airport. We are now in Vietnam airport going to Laos, but we have come in a little pickle today. They managed to screw up their visas, so they didn't have a visa for the 2 last days we were in Vietnam. So of course they got caught in the passport control. But it was super chill because they only had to pay a fine for $50, and we got a private escort to escort us through the whole airport. So we didn't stand in one line, no passport control, no security, everything just went right side. So it ended up being awesome. But we are now soon boarding the plane for Laos. So let's fast forward to Laos.
And luggage must not obstruct the aisles or the emergency exits.
Ta-da! And we made it to Laos. But now we are thinking about leaving to Thailand because we really want to go just explore beaches and islands right now, and then we're gonna go back to Laos, I think. So we are gonna go down to the reception and check out if they have any cheap tickets to Thailand. Is it possible to book a flight? Okay, that did not work out. It was way too expensive, so we are gonna check out on our own because we are best and we are good. Let's see. Okay. We were just about to book plane tickets, but then they raised the price with £100 when we were booking. Just for 5 minutes ago. And we have flights to Bangkok. Only to Bangkok, not to Phuket. But at least we're in Thailand. The flight goes in 2 hours, so we kind of have to hurry. And the best part about this, Nelly just paid and he thinks he's gonna get the money back from us. But that's what we call hurrying to the airport. The receptionist just found double as cheap tickets as we have found now. All the way down to Phuket. We're only going to Bangkok. And we made it to Bangkok. But this is how much we suck at traveling. We booked a flight to Laos because we were going to explore Laos for 10 days. We ended up being there 2 days, and we're like thinking, oh, maybe we want to go to Thailand. So we booked a flight to Thailand. But what we did, we booked it to Bangkok first, and then thinking that it was cheaper, and then going to Phuket. But now we found out that it was much cheaper just to do a direct flight from Laos to Phuket. And now we have an 8-hour layover in Bangkok. We do not have the economy to keep on flying everywhere and doing. We should have been taking buses, but we cannot be bothered. This is how much we suck at traveling. Oh, subway. Flashback. This is our crib for 8 hours. This, my friend, is what happens when you've been stuck in an airport for 8 hours. To suck even more at traveling, we were all off the weight limit for our bags, so we had to stack up these bags with it. But that's just a bonus to being sucky at traveling. I think we just ran into one more problem. Guess who got called up on the speakerphones in the airport right just now? So I have to walk all the way back to the passport control. Hi, you called me on the speaker? Well, that was a huge waste of time. The only reason why they called me back was because this little thing was in my bag. And there's a new rule that you can't have batteries in or something. But I found something cool. Natural glide cam. Let's see. Awesome. Just chilling. But now we're on our way. Finally, after 8 hours. What she said to the plane. Thank you. I think all the problems of traveling today paid off. Look what the seats we got. Woohoo! Nearly. We have arrived in Phuket. Finally. But we still have one more mission. Even though we had an 8-hour layover, it did not cross our minds to check a place to live when we come in Phuket, because it is 2 a.m. here. So now is a good time to check into a hotel. We are the only ones here left at the airport because we are stupid travelers. A lot of hotels are saying that we can't book in at 2 a.m. of course, so we're trying to find a solution. We are just, since it's so late, we are just gonna sleep here in the airport. We might have found a hot spot. A good hotel right here. It's called Chair Hotel. 5-star luxury hotel. Ooh, look at that bed. So soft. Welcome to MTV Cribs Backpacking Edition. This here is the master bedroom where Jacob is sleeping. This here is my bed. It's real nice. We don't have a toilet yet installed. And then let's go over to Tuve's room. He found a little cubby hole. He's gonna try to set up a hammock from there to here, because he is a smart dude. Okay, there, from there. He's even more stupid than I thought. And I think Tuve has completed his amazing bed back here behind Starbucks. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Tuve has actually inspired me. This is a genius plan. So I am also gonna try to hang a hammock with him. Nelly has fixed a nice bed for himself.
It's so awesome.
We are getting good at traveling. This is orientation. This is smart thinking. And this is mine. Okay. Genius, but I can't sleep in this. Oh god. Living like hobos. We are literally sleeping behind Starbucks. This is Starbucks. This is it, where they're sleeping. This is me and Tuve's crib for tonight. Alrighty. That wraps up the missions for today. We have arrived in Phuket and found a place to live. Kind of. It's kind of homeless, but it works. We are in Thailand for a month now, and we will be doing everything from surfing, cliff diving, boating. So, if you want to see that, then hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next week. In the next video. I'm so tired. It's 4 a.m. in the morning. Good night.